Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, you know. And this story is something that had happened in the country of Jamaica, right? Now, there's reports out there about a pastor that is based in the parish of Hanover, that is in Jamaica. And it is said that the pastor had been arrested and charged with 7 counts of rape. And I'm talking about child molesting rape. You understand me? Now, viewers and subscribers, according to reports out there, is that patrolmen saw the pastor beating a child, right, at a certain location, you know, and it is said that the patrolmen went over to find out what was going on, and it is said that allegations of child molesting had been made against the pastor, right? And it would seem as if it is from the child that the pastor had been hitting or beating at the moment. All right, now it is said that other law enforcers, which are known as detectives, you know, and it is said that they are from the CISOCA, you know what I mean? It is said that the detectives did some investigation on this whole thing about the pastor and the allegations that has been made against the pastor, you know. And it is said that other children and relatives came forward, you know, accusing the pastor of sexual misconduct, you understand, or allegations of child molesting and or rape. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, it is said that the person, which is the pastor that has been accused of this child molestation and rape, or you'd call it, it is said that he's originally from the parish of St. James, you know. However, he's based in Hanover and all these things, you see me? And viewers and subscribers, I did some research, you know, and upon doing so, you know, to my knowledge, there has been no information about the pastor's name, nor do I see a picture, right? And I've done research where I've read newspaper and I've looked on news report about this incident online and all these places. You know, I don't see anything like that, and that's to my knowledge. All right, there might be other information out there about this incident, but I'm just telling you based on what I understand. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, a news like this, really and truly, I'm looking at it and I'm saying wow, you know. And in my belief, a man is innocent until proven guilty. All right, so right about now, it is all called accusations or allegations and these things. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, it is said that the accused had been arrested on Monday, the 9th of December 2019, and it is also said that the accused, which is the pastor, is to appear in court on the 17th of December 2019. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. And there's reports out there about a pastor that is located in the parish of Hanover, that is in the country of Jamaica, and it is said that the pastor had been arrested by police officers and charged with 7 counts of rape. All right, and let's see where this one go right about now, viewers and subscribers. All right, so let me know what you think about something like this, you know. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.